This is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active5, and in this video I will show how you can transfer files from internal storage to an SD card on this device. So that's a very simple thing to do. You will need to open either default My Files, File Manager, or any other custom app of your choice. Then go into your internal storage directory, find what files you would like to move, select them. Here you can either select Move option, which means that once moved they will be deleted or erased from their original source, or you can just copy them, which will make it so that those files will be duplicated into an SD card. I'll go with the Move button, for example, then decide where you want to move it to. Here just select an SD card, then select where you would like to put it. I'll put it to Downloads. Then once you find yourself in the folder you would like to drop it at on the SD card of yours, just tap at the Move Here button, wait a few seconds, and here you have it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.